Okay, sir. Is it visible, sir?
It is visible, beta. Yes. Thank you. So here last week we discussed about the changing colors and backgrounds and shadings of a slide. Now today we go through with these header and footer, many other things also. There's slide master and illustration, and how to make a design and how to make some animations to your text on a slide. So the same way how we take header and footer in your uh, word word, the same way here also you can take a header and footer which will be available or which will be displayed in every page of a slide. Okay, in every slide of your presentation. So if you want to insert that header and footer, you can go to insert there, insert, and in that you can see a header and footer option. In insert, you can see a header and footer option. You can click on it to add some header and footer to your presentation. So you can go to that insert, Kritik. Yes, there you can see header and footer. No, insert, in insert only here in word art. Besides word art, you have, yes, yes, there. Yes, to left side. Yes, you can click on it. So there, yeah, you can drag and move. You can select date and time. I think so. Date and time it is showing there. Yeah, you can take there. Or if you want to take slide number, you can take, or footer if you want to type anything, you can take there. Slide footer, you can see there on the slide preview. It is showing where it is going to display. It is showing that black color. If you select anything, that will be showing in a black color. See date and time and header and footer, sorry, slide number and footer. If you want to take all also, you can take all. Okay, you can click on it and you can give the date. It is giving the date clearly. And yeah, you can give to apply. You can click apply, then it will be applied to your slide. Just apply, click on apply, just click on apply. We will see whether it is going to take for all or it is going to take for only one. Okay, so you go to another slide. You click on another slide. I think it is not visible on other slides. Yes, yeah, it is visible in every slide. I think only for two slides, one or two, only one slide it is taken, Beta.
Yes, sir. Only one.
Yeah, if you want to take it to all slides, you can click on apply to all. Just now we seen the option there, so you can click on that. You go to that first slide again. First slide. Yes, again you go to header and footer there. Here you have some text. Yeah, here you type some text. No, instead of that text, you can type anything. Like you can give your name also, or by the reference of, you can give anything. Okay, whatever this text you have taken here, you can take in that. Okay, you can take in anything at that place. And here using slide masters, using slide master, so here they controls, the slide masters will control all the types of fonts and font styles, font size, font colors and background colors, some effects in bullet style. Okay, so using this, they will having some default structure of what we can say, structure of text making. So you can type in that. Just you can go to that master slide and you can type whatever you want to take on that slide. Okay, here if you want to take that master slide, beta, You can go to view once, view there, yes. And in that view, you can select master, notes master. Just a minute, just a minute. Uh, Slide master, it is there. Now you can click on that slide master. Slide master, yes, yes. Okay, you can see there in all slides, these was not there. See here, that will be in that text is there in one style and one color. You can take another slides once. Yeah, see there. This is edited. Click to edit master type styles. It will be in a sequence, but you can see that any sequence it will be. You can type, just you can click on that and you can edit them. Okay, these all are master slides. You can just edit them. That will be in a same slide, or so we can say like uh, some type of sizes and type of styles of font you can take. So here, this is what the master slide. If you want to edit, just you can edit them better. You can just click on it and you can edit them. You can edit just if you want to make. If you want to come out of this master slide, you can see on the options bar, you can close master view. Close master view, it is showing. Okay, you can click on it, it will be out of that. You can click on that, close master view. Last option beta, last option, yes. You can click on it. So the same way you can go to the same position which was there. Okay, so this is what the master slide. If you want any suggestions to make your text, make your points, then you can take it, but otherwise you can create your own presentation. Okay, and now you have these in insert only. In insert only, you have a illustration group. Insert, you can click on insert once. Yeah, there you can have a illustration, yeah, illustration group of options there. To this side, you here in the second one only, second, third is there. See, illustration options. In that illustration also, this word art will also come in that illustration. Text boxes you can take, text boxes, word art, picture, and shapes, audio, video. These all you can take to your presentation. In presentation, you can make these all things. In this illustration, like as I said, you can take it these all things better, like text boxes, word arts, picture, shapes, audio, and video. You can take these all things on your slide. Okay, so you all know how to insert a word art. Can you go to insert once again?
कितने 53
5
Yeah, insert in word art, you have that text there. Yeah, you can select any font, any type of style of word art, and then you can just click on that text. Your text, you can type something. Yeah, you can type anything over there. That will be placed at that, yeah, computer. You can take anything there, and you can delete this. Click to add title. Yeah, very good. Okay, that's what you can take there. If you want to take it directly, you can take. Okay, that is what the heading, and you can have the subtitle also for this. If you want to any size making, you can make the size better. Size of that text, you can make it. How you take the font size. Okay. Text fill also, you can change the color of text. Any color you can take, and any size of, yeah, you can take it there. And color also you can take in format. In format option, you can take any color over there. Yes. Their format option, it is there. You can take there also, and in format there are many other options. See there, you can take any other type of word art and shape fill. It is also there. Shape fill, shape outline. You can take shape effects also. You can take, and text fill, text outline, text effect also you can take. These all you can make anything. You can take anything over there. There are many other options you can take there. Okay, this is what about that inserting word art to your slide. And if you want to insert a picture, beta, directly you can click on that insert there, and in the insert you can click on photo or a picture. You have if you have online, if you are in online, you can select that. Otherwise you can directly insert from your computer. If you want to insert them, you can insert from computer also. Otherwise, if you are in online, you can just insert from that online picture. Okay, here many other options also there. In this slide you can make picture styles. You can see picture styles. Okay, but a picture, see one, yes, there you can click on audio from PC, audio from my PC. If you have any audio file, you can insert over there. Any audio file if you have, you can insert. Otherwise, directly you can select there. The may not be here now, so that will be here while we are watching that. Okay, in front of that we can, while we are watching. Once you go to YouTube, beta, whether it is going to work out or not, we'll see. Otherwise you can practice that in your own way. And here there are some transactions, slideshow transactions are there, slide transactions and slide animations. We have two here. So the two things are left to learn, that is animation and transition. And one more thing also, that is of design, slide design also there. Okay, so before going to that animation, we can see, we can have the design ones, design over there, design beta, design of slide. Yeah, that is what this is for slide. Yesterday we learned this, we gone through this slide design. Yeah, enter and type it again. Yeah, see here how many